A QA job market is changing faster than ever. You test software, you deploy to production, you validate systems, but companies are now integrating AI into everything. And many QA engineers are starting to ask the same question: will my skills still be relevant? Traditional testing checks if something works. AI testing asks a completely different question. Are the answers actually correct? Is the model consistent? Can users manipulate it? These are not theoretical risks. They are real production failures, and companies are actively looking for engineers who know how to find them. That's shifting the job market. From testing software to evaluating AI behavior, from QA engineers to AI test engineers, from test automation to model evaluation. Roles that barely existed a few years ago are now reaching salaries of $200,000 to $300,000 plus. But there's one challenge. Only few engineers actually know how to do this work. At Ingenious University, we help QA engineers gain these advantages through our AI Career Accelerator, a live, hands-on program designed for those who want to transition into AI. Over 5 weeks, participants learn how modern AI systems behave and how to test them in real scenarios. They practice evaluating AI behavior, detecting hallucinations, bias, and factual drift. Use real evaluation tools to validate LLM systems. By the end of the program, students gain the skills needed for roles like AI test engineers and specialists working in model evaluation, roles that are increasingly in demand and paid significantly higher. After the program, participants also get the opportunity of internship in a real AI startup project, applying their skills to practical AI testing challenges. And for those who want to experience this firsthand and meet our instructor team, we're hosting an offline event on April 11th-12th in the San Francisco Bay Area, where participants will build and test AI systems in a hands-on workshop and hackathon. This is not a theory, it's applied AI testing. The future of QA isn't disappearing, it's evolving. The engineers who understand how AI systems behave, how they fail, and how to make them reliable will define the next generation of software quality. If you want to build these skills step by step, join the AI Testing Accelerator, our 5-week live program designed for QA engineers moving into AI. And if you want to experience this work in person, you can also join our offline workshop and hackathon in the San Francisco Bay Area. 2 days, build AI systems, then test and break them like real AI engineers.